Vuestras casas nos quitaron, a la aviación ya nos entraron. Nuestros tesoros nos tomaron, al vapor nos embarcaron. Al vapor ya entrimos, como sardelas nos estefimos. 10 días navegimos, a Pireos desbarquimos. A Treia nos entraron, sin comer nos dejaron. 14 días viajimos, a Auschwitz desbarquimos.
They took us from our homes. They put us in the airport, stole our treasures, and loaded us on ships.
Aboard the ships, pressed together like sardines, we sailed for 10 days until we reached Piraeus.
They drove us ashore like dogs. Many loved ones died before we came to Hadar.
They brought us to Hadar, and there we spent 3 anguished days, worn down from beatings.
They loaded us on trains without water, without food. We traveled 14 days until we reached Auschwitz.
They took us from the trains away from our loved ones, sent us to the baths, and cut off our hair.
Leaving us shorn and naked. Taking our clothes, they sent us to Block 20.
We arrived at 3 in the morning. The roll calls began. The cold penetrated our worn-out bodies.
Battered as we were, the roll calls kept increasing. Without pity, they assigned us to Wachstubeblock.
In anguish, we shouted for our mothers, and were assured that our mothers had been consumed in the fire.
To the sound of music, innocent children were burned, asphyxiated in the gas chambers.
The evil that is Auschwitz devastated our families who had lived in comfort, yet were dragged off without mercy.
More trains. We moved from camp to camp until we ended up in the Belsenbog.
In the human grave that is Belsen, we lost our sisters who died from hunger and disease with many other women.
No ink or paper can describe Belsen, where turnip peelings were our food and water was the drink of death.
No hay tinta ni papel para